Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is a channel for all Final Cut Pro tips, tricks, and plugins. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing because we have everything to help you out in Final Cut Pro. Here on the screen is our website where we have plenty of plugins. We have some free. Yep, you heard it correctly. Some free and some that you have to pay for. But go check it out on the site and you will definitely find something that is worth your time. Now, let's get on to the tutorial for today. So today we will be going over tips and tricks to make your footage look like a film. For the first clip, we have a Matrix clip. Pretty original right here. But what we want to do is we want to go to our effects tab and we want to go to the stylize tab right here, and we're gonna click on raster, and this will get you that kind of matrix effect, that matrix look that you're looking for. And this is a movie-like effect that you can easily add on to your footage or even music videos or whatever creative project that you're working on. And a trick with this, how you can make it look even better, is you can add a keyframe. So you can press this diamond right here. When it turns gold, that's when you know it's a keyframe. So we could put this all the way down right here, and then we can move like halfway towards in the timeline, and we can begin to raise this up like this. So as we play this back, you're gonna see it's not gonna start off with the raster effect. It's just gonna build up just because we added a keyframe. And here it is right here. So that's pretty cool right there. And you can even add another one and bring it back all the way down. Just depending on how creative you want to be with your effect. And like I said, you can take this to your own creativity. You can add keyframes if you want. You don't have to if you don't need to in your footage. But yeah, this is one effect to make your footage look like a film. So now let's move on to the next one. We have the Joker right here. And our next clip, we're gonna do the letterbox, which is a effect that will automatically make your film look cinematic. So once I drop that on there, nothing's appearing so far, but you're gonna go up here to the aspect ratio and go to about 2.35, whichever fits your scene. And these are just the borders right here to make your film look literally just like a movie. This is an easy way in Final Cut Pro. So as I play this, you can see how this looks really like a movie. And when we take it off, you can tell the difference. Also, you can increase it, decrease it. It's all up to you. You can also use keyframe animations again with this if you want to add it to the beginning. And then as towards the end, or anyway, you can just raise it up just to have some dynamic movement in the film like that. So yeah, that's another pretty good way to make your film look like a movie. Now let's move on to the last effect. Okay, our last effect here, this is for specifically like action movies, things like that. Here we have Spider-Man. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna cut this. We're gonna add streaks to Spider-Man. So we're gonna actually type this in, go to all and type in streak. And you can just add that on to the clip. And as you can see, that's a lot of streaks right there. We're gonna turn the amount down. We can even change the color. Let's go red just because of Spider-Man. You can change the thickness of it, the threshold. You just make adjustments based on how your film looks. And as we play this back, looks pretty cool right there. Pretty good. And like I said, we can add keyframes again. You can even add it to the color to change the color. See, so when he drops down, let's go to a blue. So let's see how this looks with a changed keyframe. Pretty cool. And you can make adjustments on however your film looks. Like when he drops, I can just lower all the keyframes to lower the amount of streaks, or just get rid of the streaks. It's really up to you. So those are 3 tricks and tips to make your film look more movie-like. I hope you guys enjoyed and you learned something today. If this video helped you out, please consider liking and subscribing, because we will be coming out with more videos later this week. So be on the lookout for that. And make sure you go to the website to get some plugins that'll definitely help you out in your video editing journey. And I will see you guys soon. All right, thank you.